Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax, Ocean View, New Jersey. This is our 2023 17-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. Light gray hull on a trailer, 115 Mercury. Has a console cover. Boat does have split bow rail. Has a fishing package with the rod holder, cooler, all the cushions. Pictures will follow in this video. The hull is like new. Boat has a Garmin, GPS, an ICOM stereo with a remote speaker. This little tackle box has a flip seat with a live well. There's your motor. Everything looks pretty much as it should. The boat has 13 original hours on it last year. Your swim platform. Stay tuned for the pictures. You'll see everything. Boat is here in Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan. Any questions? Please give me a call. Thank you.